Okay guys, just in case you don't have a portfolio yet, okay, going to add a new page. For example, you don't have a portfolio. Okay, I'm going to use portfolio, for example, or home. Alright, let's say portfolio. Okay, and then I'm going to publish it. Okay, once it's published, I'm going to use DB Page Builder. Okay, if you like to make a portfolio and you don't have any knowledge yet on how to make it from scratch, sure, we are going to use some layouts, pre-made layouts here. I'm going to browse. Okay, what type of portfolio that I would like? For example, as a web developer. Okay, so since it doesn't have any portfolio here for web developer, I'm going to use um, VA. For example, I'm going to type VA portfolio or virtual assistant. Virtual assistant. Yeah. This one. This is a good portfolio to start for home page, and then this is the landing page. For example, this one, I'm going to choose this one here. The landing page for visual assistant. I'm going to click this one and I'm making sure it's on the landing page, and then I'm going to use this layout. I'll wait until it's loaded. So what this loading means, it loading the media for this portfolio. Okay, the pictures, the content, and everything. So more picture, it's more uh, long time to load. Okay, okay, 75%. So this means it's a lot of images. That's why it took so long. So first, you're going to save this one. Okay, save it. Save it um, before you edit the page. Okay, doing a web page for you not to be overwhelmed. So make it a habit. You're doing it block by block or per container. So making sure if you're uh, So not doing all at one. Okay, making sure you finish this first block or first container after you go to the second block, so you will not be overwhelmed. So that's a common problem to those beginners that having trouble making a website. Okay, so once this one is loaded, so you can change now, you can now change the text content here, so it's easily to manipulate because this one is drag and drop. Okay, that's why I give you permission to use the DB page builder.
You
So
know.
how are you going to change the image, for example? So just go into the image, and if you see the markings, the here, the dark gray, it means this is a column. Okay, click this module settings. Once you click it, so you can see the image. So this image is PNG, so it doesn't have any background, so it's just only the image of the person, which is here. Okay, so you can change that. So once you done changing it, for example, click this one and then don't forget to click the save. Okay, it will save your file because once you for example, I click this one. Okay, I add a media on that. I put a picture, for example. I change that into this one, like this, for example, this guy. Okay, I uploaded it. So as you can see, it will load. But if I didn't click this one and I forgot that, and then click this one, it will just come back into its original image. Okay, so making sure if you're going to change this one, it should be close to the image that it's been here. Okay, for example, if you do have a uh, color brand, okay, the branding, and this is not your color, click this one. So you can change the color background here. So for example, you like red, okay, you
Pink.
like this green, like that. So you can do that. Okay,
Red na Joy.
if it's too bright, for
I
example,
love pink
just click this
and
one, and if
lavender.
you do have your hexa, okay, so put it here and then click, and then don't forget to click OK and then save again. Okay,
Okay.
so that's easy. So that's how easy it is to put a or to manipulate this single page here, the header or the hero page or this first block or this first container. So making sure you done uh, the first container or first block before you go to the next block. So make it a habit, block by block. For example, you have a client and you're making a word making a website for her or his business. So making sure that you agree about the design here first before you go down here. Okay, always ask for proofing. Okay, if it's done, and then go to the next block and then block by block. Okay, so don't be overwhelmed on the whole page doing it if you don't, if you can. Okay, so make it a habit, block by block. So that's all, and if you have question, just PM me. Okay, thank you.